It's throwback time. This is a throwback to the first YouTube video I ever made. The video in reference is called Convoy to Shiloh. So in that video, I have no idea what I'm doing. I don't know how to edit video. I don't even know how to really film. I just bought the GoPro, I mounted it on the dash, and I said, let's just record. So I just hooked up with Wicked Jeeps. I hadn't met them guys but a couple weeks earlier. And we were riding down to Shiloh for a Christmas parade. So there you got it. I recorded dash cam view, and that was the Convoy to Shiloh video. And so here we are 18 months later, roughly. And I don't really think my editing skills have really improved all that much, but I'm better at filming than I was 18 months ago. I've got more creative with camera locations. I mean, you've seen the under chassis shots and stuff like that I do in several of my videos. I've got mounting locations all over my Jeep that I use. So I decided, let's remake that video. Obviously, we're not going to Shiloh. This is springtime now. But let's remake it, and let's just see if we can do it better. Same kind of concept, just Jeep going down the road, music playing in the background, and all the different angles I can film at. So here you go.